Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to slim down your face so you could look young and gorgeous. So here we go. Let's get started. Make sure you either use oil or moisturizer before you begin. I like to use this, but you can use whatever you like. Things like extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, or some other type. So let's begin. We're going to use your index finger and your middle finger with bent knuckles. We're going to begin at the center of the chin and we're going to move out. Perfect. Now we're going to take the same thing, move up on the cheekbone. Okay, we're sculpting the cheeks right now. Perfect. Now, using 3 fingers, we're going to begin little circles. And again, we're getting circulation going. We're stimulating everything. It should feel nice and warm right now. Now, using one bent knuckle, we're going to pull up. Stay consistent. If you want to look great, you got to put some effort into it. Perfect. Now we're going to use the palms. We're going to go up. Open your mouth for extra resistance. Perfect. And then we're going to zoom in and out like you zoom like this on a computer. Begin at the corner of the chin and zoom. That's right. We're zooming, we're thinning, we're making our faces slim and oval, baby. Perfect. Okay, and then we're going to use 2 bent knuckles. We're going to slide up and out. Up, out, up, out, up, and out. Great job. Okay, now, last but not least, we're going to take the face, cup it, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! You're phenomenal! Go get 'em, Tiger! Yay! Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!